Right. Good morning, everyone. Right. So in last class, we are trying to understand. In last class, we are trying to understand history of Java. Right. So we started our. Any of you joined newly today? Any of you joined newly today? Okay. People who joined us today, yeah. Last classes, last classes already streamed on YouTube live. So you can find the videos here. You can go to playlist. Okay, go to nareshit.com playlist. Here, now we have Core Java latest live videos. Click on this view full playlist. Okay, copy. I'm sharing this link. I'm sharing this link. Now, today we will arrange them, all the batch links, okay, correctly. Or else you can search here. You can search here. You can search here. Look at there. With the demo 1, demo 2 will be there. Go and check. Today we will arrange it everything neatly in this playlist. You can use that playlist and you can follow the demo classes already completed. All videos will be here. Okay, no need to worry. So what happened in the last classes, no need to worry. So I'm going to give you all the points once again in these videos. Okay, now today I'm continuing yesterday class. Okay, today I'm not going to give you any revision because already the classes are clearly available there. Right. So now today I'm just giving you directly entering into the subject. Is my point understand? Okay, next, people who are watching from YouTube live, people who are watching from YouTube live, requesting you, please change it to Zoom link. So I'm going to stop YouTube live today. So today, from the mid of the class, YouTube live will be stopped. If you want to continue this class, you have to come to Zoom link. This is the link in the mid of today class, and tomorrow onwards, this stream will not be there. Okay, I'm going to stop the stream, and people who wanted to continue this course, please join the Zoom link, zoom.vs. This is the Zoom ID. Go, just use this link. Okay, simple. Open zoom.com, go to browser, open zoom.link. Okay, open Zoom, and then click on join meeting, click on join meeting, and here enter this Zoom ID. Okay, there enter this Zoom ID. Please take screenshot, enter now, and come to the class. So I'm going to stop the stream now. I'm going to stop stream now. Please come to Zoom class 960-460-55408. Type this number 960-460-55408. Type this number in this Zoom link and click on join. Okay, so it will ask your details like mobile number, email. Enter correct email and correct mobile number and login. Enough. You can come to the Zoom class. Is it clear? No password. No password. Nine 460 55408. So if you wanted to know Murli sir when Oracle batch is starting, you can visit nareshit.com website. There we will give you all the details. Okay. So when batch schedule, they will give you information. Because once SAR should be get free now. Once a SAR should get free, then yeah, naresheti.com. Follow naresheti.com. Follow naresheti.com. Already UI batch is there by Sudhakar Sharma sir, Himanshu. Follow naresheti.com. So we'll come 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock at end of this month. 4 p.m. 4 p.m. new core Java batch at 4 p.m. end of this month will come. So let's enter it into subject. And Monday onwards, this link is going to change. Okay, this class will be available from Monday onwards. This class is available only for the paid students. Okay, Monday onwards, we are entering into Java architectures and applications development. Okay, so this is available only for paid students, not for demo classes students. Okay, if you still have a doubt, just question yourself. If you are confident that I can make you software engineer, you can come. Okay, people who are continuing without payment, okay, today is the last class for you. Now from Monday onwards, from tomorrow and Monday onwards, this link will be changed. This link will not be there. Okay, and we are going to learn, projects, completely projects we are going to learn. Okay, so I'm going to teach you Gmail. I'm going to teach you Gmail, Facebook, and MVC architectures. Okay, so completely. So first, I told you first 1 week is most important in your life. First 10 days is very important in your life. So everything I'm going to clearly explain you. Okay, how the projects are running in the background in the system, what the different points you need to know. Okay, so every topic we are going to discuss with this GVN project only from the day beginning to end of the course. day beginning to end of the course. Every day we are picking some part of this project and we are developing. So by end of the course completed, we are going to learn this entire Gmail applications development, Facebook application development, Paytm development. Okay, that you are going to learn. So don't need to have any doubt on what I'm going to make you. 100% as I promise you, I'll make you software engineer. So the link is going to change from tomorrow. Okay, complete the payment today and send your payment details to the Nagbabu so that you can continue with this course. Clear my point? So tomorrow, day after, tomorrow and Monday onwards, okay, you are not going to get this link. Clear? I hope it's clear to all you people. Then people who already done payment, did you receive the material? People who done payment, did you receive material? Okay. Please open first material, Xerox material 01. Open this material. Yeah, first PPT. People who not yet receive the material, please contact Nagababu. He will share 6 PDF materials you must receive, right? All 6 PDF materials are there now. These 6 PDF materials are complete our course material. These are 6 PDF materials you must have. All are there in the drive. The drive link you must come. Contact to Nagbabu and you will get this. Okay. Send a WhatsApp message. Don't call. Don't call. Send a WhatsApp message with your payment link. Payment screenshot. Okay, with the payment screenshot, you send the message. He will send you the drive link and you can download the material. This is Nagbabu number. Yeah, everything I'll post. Everything I'll post. Whatever I'm typing here, whatever I'm writing here, everything I'll post. Okay. So this is the account number to purchase this course. So this is the 2,500 rupees is the course fees and this is the account number and this is the details. Yeah, already shown missed calls videos already there. Videos already there on YouTube. Okay. Course duration is October 6th is the last date. Okay. So you people don't give suggestions to me. Okay. I know what I need to do. You please keep quiet. Please keep quiet. So you don't try to teach me. Clear my point? You already joined students. New students are in confusion. They don't listen class. They'll keep raising the questions. So first I should clear their doubts. Then I have to continue class. Clear my point? You don't show your talent. So don't show your talent. Just follow me. What Nana? Yeah, you need to open material na. Don't want material open? I'll tell the points, right? Okay, concentrate on the class. Concentrate on the class. People who are having material, please open that material. And the people who are having already done payment, please contact Nagbabu now to his WhatsApp number. Contact Nagbabu now to his WhatsApp number. Okay, and get the drive link. Send your payment link and try to get material now. Unit testing is a Java tool, JUnit. Advanced faculties will teach. Okay. Yeah, I'll show you the course content later. Please wait, Mr. Pawan Kumar, I'll show you. So people who done the payment, contact Nagbabu, this number, WhatsApp number now, and try to get material. Okay. And open first Xerox material, nothing but first chapter, first material 01. You have the material like 01. This the name will be there 01 chapters 123 core java.pdf. Open this PDF and go to page number. Yesterday we discussed the points. Okay, so yesterday we started the story. We completed what is Java, why Java, who invented Java, prerequisites to learn Java, Java history. Up to Java history we completed. Okay, all these points are clearly notes there. What is Java, who invented Java, why Java, okay, prerequisites to learn Java, and the next Java history. So now these are the points we have completed last class. Last class we are discussing about Java abbreviation, right? So same diagram we learned. Yesterday we learned the same diagram, Java abbreviation. Okay, tell me now. Let me continue from here. So people who missed yesterday class, complete videos are there. You can go through once. Earlier videos are there. You can go through once. Already playlist I shared now. Rejoin. If audio is not coming properly, please rejoin. Yeah, I'll let you know at the end. I will let you know at the end. Okay, Java abbreviation. So there is no abbreviation for Java. Okay, Java abbreviation. There is no abbreviation for Java. Then the development team of Java has just started, has just chosen the name Java we learned yesterday, right? Then look at there, the development team of Java. It is not chosen by James Gosling, right? The development team of Java has just chosen this name. The name Java specifically doesn't have any meaning. Rather, it refers to hot aromatic drink coffee. Okay, just representing coffee cup. Now, if you take any Java programming language, any Java products, if you open control panel, open control panel. In a control panel, already Java software is installed, right? Large icons. If you observe, Java software is identified by, look at there, Java software. Java software is identified coffee cup. Okay, the icon of Java is coffee cup. The icon of Java is a coffee cup. Okay, and I look at there. So because system hanged 1 minute. Because the name Java is derived from the coffee cup, the programming language icon is coffee cup. So if you take Java products, any Java products, you will get coffee cup as an icon. Okay, this is the abbreviation. So some people are, and misunderstand and telling that there is an abbreviation to Java. There is no abbreviation to Java. The next, Java release date. So what is the Java release date? Java release date is what? Sun Microsystem released first public implementation as Java 1.0 on January 23rd, 1996. Okay, there is a small confusion. 1 minute. Okay, there is a small confusion. I wanted to show you that. Java versions history. Java versions history. Okay. Actually, first is released in May. First, beta version released in May 23rd. Look at that. In 1995. So this is the Java versions history. I'm sharing it. You can use. Now you can use this link. You can click. You can open this. First JDK beta version, and not public implementation. This is not meant for developing projects, just for testing purpose. JDK beta version is released in 1995, May 23rd, 1995. May 23rd, 1995, first released JDK beta version released in May 23rd, 1995 to the market. And this is not meant for developing projects. It is just meant for testing, for people to know testing purpose. Okay, next. Now in Java release public implementation as 1.0, this is meant for developing projects released in January 1996. January 23rd, 1996. That's what the point I mentioned here. Okay. So some confusion there with my document. Some students are asking, sir, Java released in 1995. Java released in 1995. That is not a project implementation version. That is a beta version. May 23rd, 1995 released a beta version. January 23rd, 1996, first public implementation is released into the market. So this is now 25th birthday has happened for Java, May 23rd, 2020, right? So 25 years are completed. Recently, birthday celebrated for Java. Okay, 25 years, Java releasing the market. Java is ruling the market. Okay, some people are coming and telling Java gone, Java gone. So when .NET came, people say Java gone. When Scala came, people said Java gone. Now Python came, people are telling Java gone. Nothing will happen. Nowhere will go. Okay, so generally, if you remember, a tree that has more fruits will get more stones. Yes or no? People will throw the stones to a tree which having more fruits, right? So same problem to Java also. Everybody targeting Java to bring it down, but it is sustaining its place, and a lot of applications are going to develop. And next, yesterday some people asked, data science having lot of boom. Yeah, data science is having, that is a complete separate domain. If you want to go into data science application development, there are no freshers recruitment. Only experienced people recruitment is there. That too, you should have a real experience. So just fake experience, if you want to try, it is impossible to enter into data science field. Okay, data science side, entering as with experience, fake experience, it's impossible. Okay, so whereas in Java you can enter as a fresher, or you can enter as a what you call experienced person with fake experience. Happily you can enter and you can develop, because Java community is very large. Okay, we have so many blogs, so many resources, so many articles, so many forums. Okay, so you can easily find your problem solution. But data science side, machine learning, artificial intelligence, you should have a strong mathematical knowledge, statistical knowledge, and algebra knowledge, linear algebra knowledge. You must have a strong knowledge, then only you can enter it into Python and data science side. So my strong recommendation, try job with Java. After enter into company, then you can move to any field. First entry main door, I want you as a Java. Use Java as your main door, and later remaining you can go anywhere. That's up to you. Okay, now come to the point now. So Java version history, small confusion, I clear the confusion. And then next very confusion, very important point. So Java versions wise, there is a small confusion. All the people should carefully listen. This slide is very, very important to all. Now tell me, first Sun released the first public implementation as Java 1.0 on January 23rd, 1996, with a promise, write once, run anywhere. What the meaning of write once, run anywhere? Now you compile the program in Windows. Now this program can go and execute under any operating system, maybe Linux, maybe Solaris, or maybe what, Mac OS. Anywhere it can go and execute. Okay. Then next point. Now it is released in 1996 Java with a 1.0. Okay, so 1996 with Java 1.0 it is released. But now one important point you need to realize here. One important point here. After 1996, every 2 years or every 3 years, new releases are coming into picture. Okay, then new releases according to market trends. Okay, according to market trends, new releases are going to releasing every time. Then when new releases are coming, version number will be changed. Now public version is what? First version is what? 1.0. Next version 1.1. Next version 1.2. Next version 1.3. Next version 1.4. Next version. Come on. Only I am talking. You are not talking. 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. Next version, 1.5. Wonderful. Next version, 1.6. Next version, 1.7. Next version, 1.8. Next version. Next version. After 1.8, next version. Come on, everyone should tell. There is no 1.9. Hello. There is no next 1.9, right? There is no 1.9, only 9. Java 9, Java 10, Java 11, Java 12, Java 13, Java 14. So the version number got some change. Again repeating. We have 2 words, sir. We have 2 words are there. What the 2 words? Now look at it. There are 2 words are there. Java is a language name, but this language is implemented by the software called what? JDK. Okay, why the different name? If you take Oracle, Oracle concept name is Oracle, database is also Oracle. Okay, Windows. If you take all products, it has only one name. But if you come to Java, we have two separate names. Okay, we have two separate names. What the two separate names? No, number one Java, number two JDK. Java, JDK, two names are there. Okay, why two names are there? Java, JDK, that I'll explain you in next week. At this minute, I don't want to talk. I don't want to deviate. So Java is implemented in two softwares, JDK and JRE. Java software, Java is implemented in two things, JDK and JRE. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. Okay, then why it is divided like that? That is a next week's story. Next week by Saturday, you will get clarity. Okay, next week by Saturday, you will get clarity. Okay, I am not here to clear your doubts. Please listen whatever I am telling, Mr. Sai Sweta. Okay, na? I'm not here to clear your future doubts. Okay, so please try to listen, try to accept whatever I'm telling. Sir, what is JVM? What is JIT? Is this the current class? Come on, tell me. Is the topic is the current class? Is JVM, JRE, JIT learning is a current class? No, na. Current topic is what Java released date, na. Right? So concentrate on what I am telling. Don't try to bring your, past doubts to here. Okay? I'll clear all the doubts. It's a process. We are going in a process. Okay? Please try to and remember. Please try to remember. So now Java is a language name. Java is our product name, language name, but this JDK is implemented as a software by using what? JDK. Okay, JDK. Now JDK and we have JRE. So right, JVM is a part of JRE. JVM is a part of JRE. And next, JIT is a part of JVM. Right? There are several words are there. Don't feel you are already Java. Your academics Java. Don't bring to my class. Unnecessary. You will get confusion. So you cannot concentrate on what I am telling. Okay, if I use all these words, people who don't know anything Java, they will confuse. Clear my point? So that's why hold your doubts for a few days. Okay, later I'm going to discuss. Tell me. So again repeating, Java is developed. Java is our product name. It is a language. Whereas if you take a implementation software name is not implementation software is not Java. It's implementation software in JDK. Small confusion there in Java language. Okay, then next point, try to understand now. Java language in version number is 1.0. Java version number is 1.0. JDK version number is also 1.0. Like this happen 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. But in Java 5 version, small change came. Java version number from 1.5 to it came to 5.0. JDK version number still continued as a 1.5 only. Java 5.0, JDK 1.5. Then Java 6 version again came change. 6.0 gone. Java 6 only. And then JDK still continuing as 1.6 only. 1.6. Okay. Next point. Now Java 7. JDK 1.7, Java 8, JDK 1.8. Up to this is a story. Now, this number confusion is there, right? Version number confusion is there. Then James Gosling and their team, Oracle Corporation. So from Java 7 version onwards, in 2010, okay, in 2010, when Java is developing, Java 7 version in mid of Java 7 development in 2010, Java and all the products of Sun Microsystem, Java, Solaris and other products of Sun Microsystem sold to Oracle Corporation. Okay, completely Oracle Corporation bought. Oracle Corporation, okay, our database, Oracle Corporation has bought this entire Java language, and now they started taking care of Java language enhancements development. Then Oracle Corporation, by seeing this version number differences, all this confusion, they're trying to resolve it. As part of that story, now they have changed Java 9 and JDK version number changed to JDK-9. Okay, JDK-9, JDK-9.0, I can say. Okay, 9.0, or simply you can call it as a 9, your wish. JDK 9. So there is no 1.9 from here onwards, and there is a hyphen between JDK. Remember, look at there. And next language is what? Java 10. Here onwards same, JDK hyphen 10. And now the latest version what? 10, 11, 12, 13. Latest version is what? Java space 14 and JDK hyphen 14. So these are the version numbers change we got. Okay, observe now all the points I mentioned here clearly. Java first version was released as 1.0, followed by 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. In a 5 version, we got a change 5.0, 1.5, and in 6 version again 6, 1.6, 7, 1.7, 8, 1.8, and again changes are happen 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There is no 1 point version because the 1.1 is a confusion. 1 point, how long this 1 point will go? How long this 1 point will go? Confusion, right? So that's why they have stopped all these points. Okay, so this is a very important point you should know about release dates. Okay, release date, version number and release date. And next important point you should realize, up to Java 9 version we used to get Java new releases. Up to Java 9 version we used to get Java new releases either for 1 year or 2 years or 3 years or 4 years or 5 years. Look at the version number difference. Look at there. Java 1.0 1996, 1.1 97, 98, 2000, 2002, 2004, 2006, 2011. How much difference? 6 to 11. How many years difference? 4 plus 1, almost 5 years, right? And 2014, 2017, 2018, 2018. Observe, observe. 2014 to 2017, 3 years we have. From Java 9 after onwards, until Java 10 onwards. Look at there. September 2007 to March 2018. How many years gap? 1 year, 6 months. Babu, do proper calculation. Do proper calculation. 6 months. Okay, 6 months. Next tell me, March 2008 to September 2008, 6 months. March 2019, September 2019, March 20, September 20, March 2021, September 2021. Hey, what is this? Current version is Java SE 14. These releases are still not released, but still the dates are announced. Still the dates are announced. Okay, how? Because Oracle Corporation come up with a scheme. Oracle Corporation is come up with a scheme. Every 6 months, Java software is going to release with new features. After Java 9 version, from Java 10 version onwards, Oracle Corporation introduced a special scheme called 6 months release cadence. They have given a promise. Every 6 months, we are going to release Java software with new features. Everyone tell me, sir. Every 3 years, 4 years, 5 years releasing is best. Every 6 months releasing best. What do you say? What is your idea? Every 6 months releasing is best, or every 3-4 years releasing is best? If every 3 years, 4 years it is releasing, can Java give competition to the existing languages? Mr. Kishore Danawala. Kishore Danawala is telling that best for 3 to 4 years once releasing is best. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, if you are updating, you are increasing, even you are eating food every 3 years, 4 years once, is it okay? Can you survive? You will die, na? Why per day 3-4 times you are eating? Okay, why you are eating 3-4 times every day? Because we want to live. We want to live. If Java want to live, we have to give releases. Tell me, now you take MI mobile, you take a Realme mobile, you take iPhone mobile. Tell me, every 6 months to 1 year, they are releasing the new version, right? New version mobile releasing into the market with new features. If the mobile is not releasing, if they relaxed, okay, already sales is going good. If they relaxed, what happened? Finally, the sales will come down. Are catching my point? So every time it is come up with the new features, new ideas, okay, to sustain in the market, to have the market for the product to sell, to have the good sales in the market. So Java, up to Java 8 version, there is no much competition to Java. Okay, there is no much competition to Java. But from Java 8 version onwards, okay, there is a huge competition from other languages. Okay, so Oracle Corporation has got wake up, and then they started releasing Java every 6 months according to the new features required in the market. So tell me, now we can give the competition in the market, and we can give the features in Java to develop the requirements available in the market. So for example, now data science is the market. Okay, for example, recommendation system development is a requirement. Okay, in the world, if you observe any YouTube channel, when you open YouTube channel, once you open your video, down to your video, you are going to see some more videos, na upcoming videos, recommended videos, lot of things you are going to see. Am I right? Now, these recommendation system is developed by YouTube people by using huge mathematical, use statistics, use machine learning algorithms, AI algorithms, lot of things, algorithms they are implementing. To develop those algorithms, algorithms are theory. To implement those algorithms, the Java language should support some features, some concepts should provide. Huge mathematical library should provide. Java doesn't have that much huge mathematical library. Java has a library for developing web applications, enterprise applications, distributed applications, but it doesn't have library for developing what you call mathematical library is not there. So machine learning to develop mathematical library is required. Artificial intelligence to develop library is required. Mathematical library is required. That mathematical library is available with the Python language. Okay, that's why YouTube, the recommendation system to develop, they have used Python language. Already catching my point. So now Java, if not releasing the new features every 6 months by taking the, by providing the new library according to the requirement of the software development, then Java language will become out from the market. Yes or no? If every new batch I'm starting, batch by batch, if I'm not changing the content according to the software industry requirement, new features, if I'm not updating, one fine day I'll be out from the market. Na? Are you catching my point? Are you catching my point? So if the technologies are not adding to the Java language as per the software development requirements, Java language will not be used for developing softwares. Then hence soon one day Java language will be out from the market. So simple point. If you got job today wonderfully, but after getting into company, you relaxed. I got job every month, I'm getting salary. Then if you are not updating your knowledge, if you are not increasing your skills, if you are not learning other technologies in addition to Java, then you will lose your job. Okay, you will lose your job, right? So now tell me, you have to learn everything. You have to update yourself. Like how you are updating yourself, Java language also should update. So Oracle Corporation take an initiation, releasing Java language every 6 months. Tell me, Baba, can Java out from the market? Can Java out from the market? People who are feeling that Java will be out from the market soon, okay, that's a completely rumor. Okay, it's not possible to remove Java. Now I'm telling you, soon coming days, Python may remove from the market, but Java will not be removed from the market. Just you think, sir. Just you think, sir. Now if you add all Python available library to Java, what happened? Think. Python is now newly using in the companies. Okay, now newly people are using. Last 25 years, so many products already developed. Now, for example, simple point I'll tell you. For example, now you are a cook, Baba. You are a cook. Okay, you are a cook. You know only how to cook food like rice. You don't know how to cook curry. For curry preparation purpose, now I am choosing some other cook. Okay, one more cook is added. Okay, now he is know how to prepare curry. Okay, next I need biryani. Okay, these two people don't know how to prepare biryani. Now I'm going to take another cook for preparing what? Biryani. Now I have a question. Among them, this rice preparing cook is a master. Okay, first he is the first person came into picture, so he is there in the market. For example, if this main cook is updating his skills, how to prepare curry, okay, and how to prepare biryani, if he is updating, then tell me, this second cook, third cook required? Not required. If number of cooks you are increasing, now you need to increase the salary. You need to increase the salary. Okay, and the next, these three people are getting some ego feeling, and they started fighting each other, and you have to lot of time compromise. You have to lot of time compromise, spend the time for compromising them. That cooks are nothing but Java. Okay, cooks are nothing but Java, and then what? Python, okay, and C#.net, like that. There are so many languages. If I develop one project by using these many languages, for integrating these languages, you have to make the calls between these languages as part of project development. For integrating these languages in between, we must use web service calls now. Already we discussed. Between the languages, we must use web service calls. Then in this process of web service calls, project execution is slow or faster? Slow. If all Python features added to Java, then tell me, Python will be gone from the market, Java only will be used. Are you catching my point? So now try to think, Java is evergreen. Removing Java is not that much easy. Okay, people who are feeling that Java is going to remove from the market, that is their wrong thought and spreading wrong. Java removing is impossible. Okay, don't worry. Every 6 months we are getting new releases, so definitely Java will be there in the market. And then now I want to move. I'm moving. So this slide, all people understand? Any doubts from this slide? Any confusions if you have about Java career? Okay, if I choose Java, my career will be good or not? Don't worry. Sun Microsystem there, Oracle Corporation is there. They will take care of Java making top in the market. Okay, maybe up and downs will be there. So sometimes number 1 position, but sometimes number 2 position. It's like Sachin Tendulkar, right? Sometimes Sachin Tendulkar moving from number 1 position to number 2. Virat Kohli sometimes moving from number 1 position to number 2. Right? Again, they're coming back. Okay, don't worry. So sometimes this number will be going up and down. No need to worry. MS Dhoni is a all-rounder. He's an all-rounder. Okay, you cannot compare ranking wise. Okay, captains wise, MS Dhoni number 1. Players wise, I'm talking. Okay, Sachin and Kohli are moving one or two positions, right? Java is also same. So top 1-2 positions, Java will be there. No need to worry. Maximum first 3 positions Java will be there. So just fluctuations will come always in the technology wise. Then come to the point now. Moving to the next one. Java 8. Now in the companies now the projects are developing by using Java 8. Java 7 gone from the market. Okay, Java 7 gone from the market. If any of you are trying to use a Java 7, immediately Java will throw an error saying that Java is obsolete. Okay, it's gone from the market. Don't use Java 7. Minimum you must use what? Java 8. Okay, minimum you must use Java 8. Java 8 next we have Java 9. We have Java 9. Now you should know version numbers and when they release. Java 8 released in March 18th, 2014. Java 9 released in September 21st, 2017. Next, Java 10, March 20th, 2018. Java 11, September 25th, 2018. Java 12 released in March 19, 2018. 13 to September 17, 2019. And Java 14, March 17, 2020. Look at there. They fixed date also. From Java 17 onwards, they fixed date also. From Java 10, so few days difference is there. Okay, few days difference is there. 20, 21st, 19, some few days difference is there. But from 13 onwards, date also fixed. September 17, March 17. Date, month, year, everything is fixed. Exactly on that date, on that day, on that month. Okay, new releases will come into the market with new features. Everyone got clarity? Yeah? And when you are trying to see this, whenever you are trying to see this, are you getting any feelings in your academics? From your academics, are you getting any feelings? I am getting my feelings. What I'm getting feeling? March, September. March, September. Okay, our Indian March, September, right? Semester. March failed, try again September. September failed, again try March. Okay, lifelong we are trying with our backlogs only, na? Okay, so that's wonderful, no? Okay. Now, people are asking question, sir, which version I should learn now? Okay, which version we should learn? Some people are asking, Arey Baba, always as a learner, you must learn latest version. Up to latest version, all features you must learn. But in company, latest version will not be used. In company, people will use a stable version. Java 8 is the stable version. Next to Java 8, Java 11 is the next stable version. Okay, Java 8, Java 11. Now the people are now moving to Java 11. There's a concept called long-term support, and then what? Non-long-term support. Long-term support, non-long-term support. That means what the meaning of a long-term support? Even though next releases are coming, current version still available, and Java people are adding updates to these new releases and solving some patches level problems and bugs. For example, now I am using Java 8 in my company. Now, after Java 8, 9 came, 10 came, 11 came, up to 14 came. Now, suddenly I got some bug. I reported to Oracle Corporation. Then Oracle Corporation fixing that bug. In Java 8 version, they're adding and releasing the next version. Okay, now under Java 8, next minor version will be released. Okay, whatever you are learning 8 to 9 to 10 to 11 12 13 14, these are called major versions. Major versions. Whenever they say they find any bug means what? Some problem. If any problem they found, they fix that problem and they release what? Minor version. Sir, how the minor version number look like? Observe now. JDK 1.8.0. JDK 1.8.0 is a major version. Minor version is underscore. JDK 1.8.0 underscore. Now 101 is a minor version. 02, 03, 04, 05, like this. Now the current minor version would be 121, 125. I don't remember. I'll show you that. So these many updates we got in Java 8. Next, now try to answer. Java 9 release in the market. After Java 9, is Java 8 removed from market? No, still there because it's a long-term support. Then now Java 10 came, sir. Is Java 9 still there to download? No. Java 9 version not there to download. So that means it is a non-long-term support. JDK 10 non-long support. After JDK 10, now JDK 11 is again what? Long-term support. Okay, JDK 11 is again long-term support. That means 12 came, 13 came, 14 came, still it is there. So people are now, maximum companies, 98% of the companies are using JDK 8, Java 8 in the companies. So you should be very strong with up to Java 8 every point. Then next features, even though you don't know, company doesn't much worry because they're not using. If you know 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 features, okay, they will be happy you have added advantage. But up to Java 8 version, every feature 100% you should master. Okay, there is no chance of ignoring any feature. If you say I don't know that, I don't know this, immediately you are losing your job. That's all. Okay, then next, now 2% of companies are now migrating to Java 11. Okay, few companies are migrating to Java 11, but still people are using Java 8 only. Okay, is this clear? Is this clear to all people? Is it clear to all people? Right. I am teaching Java 14. And now look at there. All points are clearly documented. Here, where is that? I closed the browser. Yeah. Here, everything documented by Wikipedia. Observe now. Java SC is a long-term support. Java 11 is a long-term support. Next long-term support is what? Next long-term support is what? Java 17. Java 17. How long Java 14 available for a download? Until Java 15 release. In September 17th, Java 15 is releasing, then gone. This Java 15 will be removed from the market. I mean, Java 14 removed. Java 14 download will be stopped and you are forced to download 15. Now in March 17, 2021, Java 16 releasing. Java 15 download will be stopped and Java 16 download will be there. Okay, in September 17, 2021, Java SE 17 is releasing. Then now 16 download will be stopped. You have to download 17. If Java 18 is released into the market, Java 17 still there in the download phase. You can download and use it because it's a long-term support. Okay, up to now all you understand? Am I going fast? Am I going fast? All people got clarity on this slide. Long-term support and short-term support, major version, minor version. All people comfortable? Please give me 1 minute. Let me talk to the YouTube live people who are watching. YouTube live people. YouTube live people. Now, YouTube live is going to be stopped from tomorrow. From tomorrow onwards, you are not going to get YouTube live. Here you have the link in the chat box. In the chat box, you have the link. Okay, now live chat, you have a link. So please click this link. Click this link. Then you will come to registration page. Okay, you can do registration here. You can do registration here. Okay. And then we'll come to join here. So from tomorrow onwards, YouTube live stream is not going to happen, because tomorrow onwards, I wanted to give my knowledge to only serious learners. Just a time pass coming, okay, and going, I don't want. Tomorrow onwards, I am starting project architectures. I don't want, just people knowing just like that fluke, right? If you really wanted to know everything, just come to YouTube, Zoom class. Okay, come to Zoom class. Please send this link. Already you are there part of this Zoom link only, Baba. My dear Abhijit. Already you are part of the link only, na? Already you are part of Zoom class only, Rabai. Why you are asking again, please send this link. Come on, buddy. Already you are part of this class only, Ranana. You don't need to go anywhere. I'm talking to YouTube live watching people. YouTube live watching people, I am telling, okay? Click on this link which is there in the chat box and then join to the class. It takes just 1 minute, nothing more. Okay, in the description also it is given. You can click on this description link. Okay, YouTube live people, did you get clarity what I'm telling? Okay, so I'm stopping YouTube live from tomorrow. So from Monday onwards, I'm starting Java projects development architecture, MVC architecture with the help of Gmail and Facebook. So generally people say that MVC architecture is very tough. Last day of the course, I mean, say, before advance, after advance Java completed, before developing project, people generally learn MVC. But I will teach MVC in the first demo classes only. Before launching Hello World program itself, I will launch project development with project. Then I will go for Hello World. Okay, so people who wanted to learn core Java seriously from me, use that link and come. Definitely I'll make you software engineer. That's it. So now I'm going back again. Coming back to subject again. Yeah, tomorrow we'll continue Zoom link as it is, but YouTube live will not be there. Okay, so people who completed registration, you will get the changed link. Once the link is changed, you will get it. No need to worry. Okay, people who have not registered, they don't get the link. Okay, people who registered, they will get the link once the link is changed. Okay, it's a 6 days per week. It is a 6 days per week. It is a 6 days per week. Sunday, some Sundays also I will take. If a syllabus is not going as per the expectation that day, because of you are asking middle questions and all, then I'll go Sunday class also. Not every Sunday. If I'm taking Sunday class early only, I will inform. 2 to 3 days before only, I'll inform you. You can plan accordingly. Class timing will be 9 to 11. Okay, class timing will be 9 to 11. Every day 9 to 11, 2 hours class will be there. Duration maximum 3 months. October 6th is our last day. Okay, October 6th is the last day. You can do parallel to advanced Java. Core Java, advanced Java, you can do parallel after 1 month. Okay, it is a completely online class. No, it is a completely online class. There is no. Okay, it's completely online class. There is no offline class. Okay, completely online. You have to continue online till the end. Next, my next batch will be 4 p.m. evening. 4 p.m. evening. 4 p.m. Start July end. At July end, July 4th week or August 1st week. August 1st, if at all delayed, August 1st will be the definitely starts. August 1st definitely starts. Okay, maximum August 1st. If you miss live class, you need to follow material. Next day I'll give you revision. Okay, there is no live, nothing is recording. Nothing is recording. If you are coming to offline class, how can you manage? If it is an offline class, you are going to college due to some reason. If you miss the college class, how you are managing the class? Okay, so Mr. Bikram Sahu, we are Telugu people, not Tamil people. Okay, we don't know Tamil. So that recording is temporary. Once class completed, it will close. Then Anna, sometimes rain comes, network comes. Take care, take care. Take care all the rain coming. If rain come, what to do? If network issue come, what to do? Okay. So now you have to think about all the problems. So you have to find solution to all the problems. No, no, no. I am making you all friends. Okay. I'm making you all friends. Here we have a Facebook group, WhatsApp group. Not WhatsApp group, Facebook group. I created a Facebook group for your seniors to juniors to classmates to collaborate. We have a group, Java by Hari Krishna. Just go to your Facebook and search box you type Java by Hari Krishna without any spaces. Without any spaces, you type Java by Hari Krishna. It's a private group. 26,000 K members are there. Okay, all these people are your seniors, juniors, and classmates. Okay, and once you send the request, it is not a public group, it is a private group. You have to send the request. Okay, 4 members already requested. Now I'll approve them. Okay, now you are part of this group. Okay, you're part of this group. Clear my point? So this is the Facebook group where all the discussions are going on. So all people, whatever the doubts people are having, whatever the knowledge they're having, look at there. This is your senior batch. Student is feeling sad because some problem come in his program. Now he's seeking for the help. Now already import the package where student class is available, right? So now your seniors are giving answers. Okay. Now there is a recruitments also posting. Okay, recruitments also posting, right? Now this everything. Whenever missing the class, if you miss the class, you can ask the questions here. Babu, I missed the class. Can anybody help me to understand? Everybody will help you. So this is the group I created. Clear? Any more questions? So there are no prerequisites. Bala OBS, there are no prerequisites to learn Java. You can start Java as your first programming language. No prerequisites. Happily, you can start Java as your first programming language. I'll teach. Now, people who are attending the class, they don't know anything. Okay. In my batch, 6th class students are there, 10th class students are there, 8th class students are there. They don't know anything. They know only my English. If you understand my English, you can start. Now, moving to the next story. Moving to the next story. We completed Java history, abbreviation, release date. Look at there. I'm starting from 0. What is Java onwards I'm starting. That means you no need to have any prerequisite knowledge. You can start Java as your first programming language. What is Java? Who invented Java? Why Java? From there onwards I started, right? And then now I'm moving to the next story. Java features, how Java is simple, secure, and other features. Are you ready? All people are ready now? Java features, come back again, come back to the subject. Kalyan, I will share everything. Don't worry. I'll share everything. Just you continue the class enough. Okay. Java features. Tell me, any new product is coming into market. It has to come with some exciting features. Na? For example, already we have Nokia mobile. To dominate Nokia mobile market, now Samsung come with a wonderful features. You know, easy access. If you use a Nokia mobile, now, if you want to find missed calls, dial calls, received calls, okay, jumped calls, if you wanted to know, you need to navigate 4 or 5 pages. 4 or 5 places you have to navigate. Whereas if you use a Samsung, now all are available in single page, single screen we can find. That is the advantage of Samsung over Nokia. And next, Nokia is using Windows as their platform for apps development and apps accessing. Samsung has used Android as a platform. So now Nokia having problems are resolved by Samsung. That's why complete market, every customer bought the mobiles moving from Nokia to Samsung. Actually, Nokia is a legend in a mobile market, but still Samsung dominated because existing features, exciting features, new features given. Then later, now Lenovo company came into market. Now Lenovo company copied as it is a Samsung, and Samsung has a problem. Or the problem of Samsung, battery will drain very fast. Okay, Lenovo company come up with the wonderful ads. Maybe you don't know, you are this generation kids, but our generation kids know. Okay, Ranbira, some actor is there. I didn't remember exactly his name. Ranbira, some person is there. You know, he is a brand ambassador for Lenovo. You know, Ranbir Kapoor, right? Ranbir Kapoor. Now, you know, Yama, one day he dead. Yama came. You know, Yama is asking, Babu, you dead? I need to take you to, you know, I need to take you to the, you know, Yamalokam. You please come. Then Ranbir Kapoor told, wait, please. No, I have last, you know, last edge battery is there. I'm watching one movie in this Lenovo mobile. Please give me some time. I wanted to watch it and go after this battery drain. I will come. Then it took almost one day. Okay, so what is the promotion they're giving? Their concentration. Lenovo mobile concentration is what? Samsung problem. So battery more time will come, minimum 24 hours, 48 hours of the battery will give. Then that is a promotion. Then slowly people are moving from where to where? Lenovo, Samsung to Lenovo, they moved. New features. Always customers are looking for exciting features, new features, easy features. Then MI came into market. Now all mobiles problem is what? Cameras, selfie cameras. Okay, their camera quality is not good, and look and feel of the mobile is not good. So now MI company came with a good look and feel of the mobile, and camera quality is good, and more quality with less cheap they have given that mobile. So people are slowly moving from where? Now again from Lenovo to they come to MI. So RAM storage, ROM storage. Okay, so high quality, I mean high what you call configuration at less cost they're giving. Then people are came, and then following by Realme came. Now people are moving to Realme. Okay, so like this, one new product coming into picture, when new product releasing the market, definitely some new features must be there, na? Some exciting features must be there, na? So Java is also come up with some new features. These features are also called buzzwords. BUZZWORDS, buzzwords. These are called buzzwords. Buzzwords are also called as what? New features. So Java come up with 14 to 15 new features. Okay, Java come up with 14 to 15 new features. Okay, so I mentioned there 14, but totally 14 to 15 new features are there. So first I want you to by heart these features, and I'll explain you one feature. All are ready na? All are ready na? So I want to first you by heart these features. If you by heart these features, then I will explain you one feature, you will understand. Complete in detail, I'll explain you. So you definitely will enjoy the features learning. Now tell me, first feature, tell me, what is the first feature of Samsung compared to Nokia? Simple usage. So Java is coming next to C and C++. Oh my God. If you take C and C++ language, lot of complexity is there in the development. Lot of special characters or usage is there. Then if you look at that program is not that much easily to understand, then what happened? Java come up with a feature called what? Simple. My Java language development is very simple. Now Python is telling that, okay, Java to Python program development is very simple, more than Java compared to Java, Python development is more simple. There is no special syntax. Whatever you want, write directly write. That is scripting style of programming. Java is object oriented programming style, and now what do you call Python is a scripting style of programming. C++ program readability and development is little complex. So to the complexity is decreased in Java. Make it very simple by hiding all the complexity from the programmer. That's why Java is called what? Simple. I will explain you clearly again. So just quickly one word I'm giving. Tell me, Java is meant for developing internet applications development, na? So when internet application development, definitely Java program is traveling via network. While traveling via network, compulsory required what? Security. Secure delivery of the products are required. If somebody in the middle trying to hack and injecting some virus, if the program downloaded with virus, if the program running with the virus, system is corrupted, right? Are catching my point? So now Java meant for developing internet applications. So while Java program traveling, if somebody hacking and adding some miscellaneous code, some malicious code, some virus code, some malware if it's added, and if the program downloaded and run in the system, then system corrupted. Yes or no? That's why Java people as a provider security features also. So how security features are given, what are the different security features are there, I will explain you in detail. Okay, in detail I'll explain. At this minute, just quickly I'm introducing the words and tell me what the features of Java. First one simple, next one secure. Try to talk your side, don't behave like a BTech student. Don't behave like a BTech student. Don't behave like a BTech student. BTech student is the best listener in the world. You know, BTech student is the best listener in the world. That's why you failed in the career. Okay, BTech student is the best listener in the world. MCS student is the double best student in the world. Okay, BSc student is a okay little bit best listener in the world. BSc, BTech, these people are most dangerous people. Only you will listen, only you will watch. Finally become watchman, Nana. Finally become watchman. Try to talk along with me at your side. I am Lord Krishna. Okay, you are my Arjuna. I am Hari Krishna, Krishna, Lord Krishna. You are my Arjuna. Are you catching my point? I am there next to you. You know, right? Lord Krishna have the multiple instances. His body is there somewhere. His original body is at one place, but he can send his soul multiple instances to the many places, right? I am there next to you. Watch. I'm there next to you. Watch. I put my hand on your shoulder. I put my hand on your shoulder and I'm looking at you. Okay. Now, come on. Try to talk at your side. Try to talk your side. First feature is what? Simple. Second feature is what? Secure. And tell me what the third feature. Okay, what the third feature? So third feature is robust. Okay, fourth feature is portable and platform independent. Fourth feature is portable and platform independent. Fifth feature is architectural neutral. Okay, now come on. So simple, secure, robust, portable, architectural neutral. And tell me what the meaning of robust? Robust and robust, very strong. What the meaning of very strong? Now you are a Bahubali. So you are great now. You are a Bahubali. Did you watch Bahubali movie? Right? Balala Deva statue. Balala Deva statue is going to be pulling, and now it's almost falling down. Bahubali going and is catching that that rope and holding and pulling na. So you are that much strong. Java is very strong. That means when Java program execution, it guarantees fail safe system. It guarantees right results. Okay, there is no chance that application execution failed in the middle. Robust means it guarantees the successful execution of the project. In the middle, abnormal terminations will not be there in Java. So Java is robust, means generally people say it's very strong. What the meaning of very strong? What the meaning of very strong? Strong means what? It is a robust. Robust means strong. Strong means it guarantees project execution is not failed in the middle. Abnormal terminations are not there in Java. So that is meaning of robust. Clear my point? Right. More explanation I'll give you. Just try to remember main words. So simple, secure, robust. Okay. So Java is guaranteeing the correct results you are going to get and stops abnormal termination. It guarantees project will not terminate abnormally. Okay, with the Paytm as example, I'll explain you. Don't worry. With a separate slide, I'll explain. Each feature I'll explain separate slide. Then portable and platform independent. What the meaning of portable? Portable is nothing but now the language can go, language program. Once you develop Java program in your computer, either by using pen drive, come on. By using pen drive or by using email, you can send the program from one computer to another computer. You can movable. Something is movable is called what? Portable. Something is movable is called what? Portable. So Java program can take from one computer to another computer, either by using pen drive or by using CD or by using what? Mail. However you want, you can. After taking this program into that computer, after copying into the second computer, you can run that program there without worrying about architecture of the system, without worrying about operating system of the system. You can run. Then that is called what? Platform independent, right? So platform independent, yeah, plug and play type. Okay, Java program is portable, means what? Plug and play type. You plug and play, it will work. But if you want to play, VLC media player must be there na. Now one video is there, MP3 file video. You copied into your pen drive, and pen drive you plug to second computer. Can you play there? No. If you want to play there, what you required? VLC media player is required. That VLC media player for my Java program is JVM software. Nothing but JRE software or JDK software. You must have JDK or JRE software installed in your system. Then only Java program can execute there. So portable means you can take to another operating system. Platform independent means what? You can run your program in that operating system. Next point. Java programming language not only just portable and platform independent, it is architectural neutral. What the meaning of architectural neutral? Earlier processors are, try to understand. Earlier processors are 16-bit processors. Later they upgraded to 32-bit processor. Now the latest processor is what? 64-bit processor with so many microprocessors. Okay, internal number of microprocessors are different. Okay, so if you carefully observe now, very important, number of microprocessors are different from one operating system, one processor to another processor. Even though you change the architecture, today I develop my Java program in a 32-bit operating system with Windows OS. Now I am moving to another computer with a different architecture, that is 64-bit computer with Windows, or 64-bit 60-bit processor with what you call Linux operating system. Still our program can go and then again I'm repeating, I develop my program in 64-bit processor with Windows operating system. Now I am moving my program from the 64-bit processor from Windows operating system to another computer whose process is 32-bit processor, lower 32-bit processor and Windows operating system or Linux operating system or Mac operating system. Still our program can execute because Java program is architectural neutral and platform independent. What is your computer hardware devices architecture? Least bother, it will go and execute. Are catching my point? And even our Java program not only execute in our system, Java program can execute in Android mobiles. Java program can execute in electronic devices, embedded systems. Embedded system electronic devices. Java programming language meant for a developing program to run the program under any hardware device components. So that's why Java is called what? Architectural neutral. So what the difference between platform independent and architectural neutral? Platform independent talking only OS. Portable is talking only moving. Platform independent talking OS, architectural neutral talking hardware devices. Okay, whatever the hardware device you are using, underline, least bother, it will go and execute. I hope all you people got clarity on these 5 features. So Java is a simple programming language because it is a descendant of C and C++ languages, and its syntaxes are almost similar to C and C++ languages. So people who know C and C++ languages, it's easy for them to understand. People who don't know C and C++ languages, Java become tougher. Come on. Java become tougher. That statement actually wrong. You know, people who know C and C++ languages, if you try to learn Java, it's really very tough. People who know C and C++ language and come to Java, for you learning Java, really I'm telling you, openly I'm telling it is tough, because your confusion brain. So in C language we have used hash include, in Java you are not using. In C language I have used percentage D, in Java you are not using. In C language you have used ampersand A, but in Java you are not using. Every time you are comparing your Java syntaxes with a known language C and C++, and you are entering into confusion. Whereas people who don't know C and C++, who are first learning Java, they don't compare with anything. Straight away, whatever I am telling, they accepting going. People who don't know C and C++, who are trying to learn Java first time, they're accepting the syntaxes fast, learning syntaxes fast, and moving very fast. Whereas my dear IT people, you are coming slow. Okay, you are coming slow. So you must forget complete C and C++. You must come to Java with an empty brain. All your C and C++ talent, put even in your room, in your bedroom, rack, what do you call a rack. Okay, put in your locker, and lock it and come. So if you don't know C and C++, if Java is your first language, and you can learn Java very easily. Generally, people say that James Gosling is targeting C and C++ people initially. Why? Because that time Java people are there now. Okay, that time Java people are not there. I need to target whom? The audience of C and C++ people only I have to target. That's why they prepare a statement that C and C++ learners. That time trend is what? Learn C, then C++, then come to other languages. That is a trend. That's why they prepare a statement. C and C++ syntaxes are similar to C and C++. You don't see one syntax also similar to C and C++. Completely it is different. And the next, C and C++ contain a lot of complex, confused, unsafe concept. All complex, confused, unsafe concepts are eliminated from Java or hiding from the developer. So Java is a very simple programming language because its syntaxes are very easy to understand. It is look like simple English paragraph, nothing more. There are no special characters using as part of application development. Second, it is simple because of complex, confused, unsafe related concepts in C and C++. In Java, they are either eliminated or unable to eliminate. They are hiding from the developer. We don't need to worry about that complex concepts. Java people are handling it. Okay, Java designers are handling it. Okay, then next point, Java is secure. How Java is secure? Java is secure because it is providing some security features, not attacking a virus or some other thing. Okay, how it is providing security, we'll see that. Robust, Java is guaranteeing correct results coming across all operating systems, and also guaranteeing fail safe system development. Fail safe system, whenever it is failed, now it is not terminated abnormally, it save all the results and then terminated. Then portable and architectural neutral. Java program you can take from one computer to another computer, either via pen drive, either by using pen drive or by using a mail or somehow. Then after downloading that program into the second computer, irrespective of the operating system, you can run that program. That is a platform independent. Irrespective of the hardware devices, you can run the program. That is architectural neutral. I am giving just overview, basic overview. More details, each feature one by one we are going to discuss more in detail in the coming classes. Okay, just I am giving overview now. The next feature is object oriented. Tell me what the meaning of object oriented. It is a one style of programming. Yeah, English is a one language. Telugu is a one language. English is a one style of talking. Okay, there is a one Tamil student there in the class. Okay, he is very much worrying about his Tamil because generally Tamil people are very much love their native language. Babu, if you know only Tamil, you cannot survive in the software industry. No, but no language you are developing in Tamil, right? Program you are developing in English, you are talking to others in English, and you are talking to clients in English. Okay, you are not going to use Tamil anywhere. So if you know only Tamil, try to join English course and try to learn English. English is compulsory. Bikram Sahu, are you Tamil? No, na. Bikram Sahu, you are North Indian. Bikram Sahu, you are North Indian, no? The name referring North Indian. Orissa or Madhya Pradesh? Bikram means Orissa. Yes, yeah, I know. Then why you are asking Tamil? You know Tamil? You know Tamil? I know Telugu. Okay, so just I am checking once what our YouTube live people are doing. Okay, all right, come to the point now. Object oriented is a one style of programming. It's a one style of programming. Object oriented is a one style of programming. What is the one style of programming? Observe here. If you take C style, if you take a dot C, the program will write something like this: hash include blah 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 blah, hash include hash angular bracket, I hope, angular include, okay, blah blah blah, you write, and then directly start main of, then open bracket, next line, and then here writing some program, blah, 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 blah. Okay, something and in software industry we call blah, blah. Okay, blah, blah, we will write. This is C style. This is structured program. Now, if you take Java, Java is an object-oriented program. A.Java, no hash include, nothing. You have to start class, you have to start program, starts with class. Class some name A, open bracket, inside blah, 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 blah. This is object-oriented programming style. If you take a scripting style, Python is following scripting style. Okay, scripting style programming language. Let's say a.py, Python extension is .py. A.py, no class, no function. Directly you can write blah, 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 blah. That is scripting style. So whatever the code you wanted to write, you must write inside one function. This main is called what? Function. If you want to write something, you have to write inside a class, object-oriented style. If you want to write some logic, directly you write. That is a scripting style. So we have several styles of programming. Java following object-oriented programming. It is a class-based programming. So everyone understand the object-oriented programming? Everyone got clarity? Object-oriented programming. Nothing there to understand here. Just accept. Oh, one style of programming. Okay. Okay, simple. T-shirt wearing from the head top. Okay, now the style of T-shirt wearing from the top head. Shirt wearing from the sides. Right? It's a style. Are you catching my point? Next point. Now, next feature is multi-threaded. So what is the multi-threaded? Now tell me what the meaning of multi-threaded. Have you heard this word? Multi-threaded, thread. Thread is nothing but one sequential flow of execution. Thread is nothing but one sequential flow of execution path. It's a one path. Tell me, when you are going on the road, there are so many paths will be there on the road. All right, it is a one path. How many paths like this are there? Multiple paths. Inside a Java program, you can run multiple tasks, add task, sub task, multiply task, next div task. All these are called what? Tasks. All these tasks you can run at a time, simultaneously, concurrently, not parallel. Okay, concurrently or simultaneously. At a time, simultaneously you can run. All right, catching my multi-threading means thread is nothing but one path of execution. I can create multiple paths of execution. Hence, multiple tasks at a time I can execute simultaneously. Now, let me take one example. This is my Gmail. Okay, let me take Facebook. This is a Facebook best example. Let me take. This is my Facebook. Tell me, at this second, throughout the world, this Facebook project is getting requests from 1 person, 2 person, 3 person, billions of persons. Come on. How many people are sending a request here? There are several people, billions of people are sending requests. Then tell me, Facebook project is processing your request one at a time, first, second, third, fourth. Then is it going sequentially? No. If it is processing each request sequentially, by the time your request is processing, let's say your request is 1 billion request, 1 billionth request, then definitely you are going to get response. Your Facebook homepage you will get on your browser in your next birthday. Okay, not birthday, next birth. Now this 60, 70 years of birth completed, you dead. Now your next birth you taken, you have to remember, last birth I send my request, let me go and check response come or not. But if you take our real life, in real life, just you click on your button, immediately you are getting your own response. Okay, just you click on that, you are getting your own response immediately. Am I right? That means what? Now your request and your friend request and other friend request all are processing individually. There is no dependency. That means how many threads are using background, how many paths are created background, multiple paths are created. Am I right? Then finally tell me, what is the style of execution? What the style of execution of every website? Multi-threaded style, sequential or is it a sequential or concurrent? Concurrent. So all processes are processing simultaneously at a time, and you will get a feeling that my request is alone processing. I have my own Facebook. My friend has his own Facebook. No, no, no. All the people are having same Facebook, but your execution path is different. Your friend execution path is different. So this style of execution is called what? Multi-threaded. All are catching my point? All are catching my point? Got clarity on multi-threaded feature? Come on. Please go back once again. All features. Please quickly tell me. What is, how many features are there in Java? 14 features are there. First feature. Come on. Just first character you type. Okay. First character you type. No need to type completely, only first character. Simple. Next, secure. Next, robust. Next, portable. Next, portable and platform independent. Next, architectural neutral. The next, object oriented. Next, multi-threaded. Tell me, Java program execution, slow na fast? Java program execution is slow or fast? What do you feel? Java program is executed by multiple threads, na? Java program executed by multiple threads. Java program execution is fast. That's why Java is called high performance programming language. Okay, Java program execution is fast. It is called high performance programming language. Java program is high performance. Simple point. Clear? Next, tell me, Java program, you develop the program. You develop the Java program. Now tell me, can I access the Java program? I place the Java program. Okay, I place the project. Let's say bank project. I place bank project, develop bank project. And this bank project, I placed in one server. Tell me, you open bank account in the Delhi branch. You open bank project in Delhi branch. Okay, now this bank account can I access from Hyderabad? Can I access from Bangalore? Can I access from Chennai? Can I access from Pune? Can I access from Kolkata? Can I access from Mumbai? Can I access from US, another country? Can I access from Pakistan? Can I access from China? Can I access from in a different company? Okay, South Africa. Yes, we can. Can I access from ATM? Yes. Can I access from directly from the bank? Yes. Can I access from swiping machine? Yes. Already we discussed this point in last class. Last class. Demo 3. In demo 3 video, I have explained. Tell me, this bank application is what type of application? It is what type of application? Type, name. I'm not asking technology, which technology use. I'm asking type of application. Distributed application. Its access is distributed and allowed to access from anywhere in this world, from any machine in the world. Either from normal program or from the browser or from the electronic device, you can access anywhere. So it is called what? Distributed application. A distributed application can be a web application, can be an enterprise application. Okay, it is basically a distributed application. So Java applications feature is what? Distributed. So today your bank application you are accessing from anywhere. It's because of which feature? Java. If Java is not there, your Delhi account you cannot access anywhere. You can go to Delhi, then only you can withdraw money. In my Jamana, when I was studying, when I was there in the hostel, my father, my brother sending money to me via what do you call a money order. That money order will come after 5 days. So by first I want to get money, my money will come, money has to be sent 5 days before. But today, just a deposit, fraction of seconds, you can take the money from your place. It's all because of the talent of Java. And now all you people realize, people who are telling that Java gone from the market, Java gone from the market. If Java gone from the market, first collapsing industry is what? Bank industry. Bank industry and shares market industry. Share market projects, bank projects are developed by using Java only. There are no payments. Okay, na? Payments are not there. All e-commerce applications are collapsed. Okay, all e-commerce applications are collapsed, and the payment gateway applications are collapsed. Visa, Mastro cards are collapsed. Complete projects are gone from the market. Don't believe Python is a ruling Java. Okay, Python people are more searching. Okay, na Python, because Python is a trending in the market, more searching. That's it. Okay, for example, simple. Ram Charan come, Chiranjeevi went from the market. Abhishek Bachchan came. Amitabh Bachchan gone from the market. Amitabh Bachchan market there, na? Chiranjeevi market there, right? Change your mind. Mokshagna is coming in the future. Balai Baba market gone? No. Wherever scripting is required, there Python is used. Okay. See, rewriting complete bank project by using Python, is that much easy, Mr. Prajakat Patel? Is it rewriting complete project? Is that much easy? Now you born as a boy, converting to girl, is that much easy? You born as a girl, converting to boy, is that much easy? No, na. So that much big years together developed project, rewriting again with a new language, starting from zero, not that much easy. Nobody is trying to dare it. Okay, now the new projects who are meant for developing recommendation system, their Python is using. Okay, come to the point. Next feature is dynamic. Okay, next feature is what? Dynamic. And tell me, what the meaning of dynamic? Are you dynamic? Are you dynamic? Dare and dynamic ra. Dare and dynamic ra. Wonderful. Okay, there is a dialogue. If somebody taking the decisions and moving forward, people say that he's a dare and dynamic. Okay, he's a dare and dynamic. Okay, what the meaning of dynamic? Taking decisions on the fly. So there is a problem. Okay, generally if you take villages area, in villages, for complete village, one main head will be there. Okay, Telugulo mana pedda manishi antam kadara, right? Pedda manishi untadu ani cheptam kada. So grama panchayati something is there, right? Sarpanch will be there. So if you watch old movies, village level movies, if you watch Hindi, Telugu, everywhere, main head of the village will be there. Now all the problems are taking to them. Then now he is solving based on the problem. He is thinking and giving the solutions on fly. So Java programming language is a dynamic. How? All the people understand? I already developed my bank project here. When I'm developing bank project, my project required to work with, only, let's say, deposit operation, withdraw operation, and current balance operation. Architecture is ready. Then suddenly, as per the new requirement, I need online transfer. I need online transfer. So tell me, this online transfer feature to add, this entire bank project should collapse? No, not required. We can add it to it. Without disturbing existing architecture, we can add it, no problem. This style of adding without disturbing existing architecture is called what? Dynamic. Okay, dynamic. Now let me take. Now I have ATM machine. Once upon a time, when ATM machine initially introduced, what they did, ATM machines are generally connected with only one bank. But now slowly requirement is changing. They should connect to any bank ATM card should accept. That means now this ATM software must be enhanced. To enhance this ATM software, it's the entire architecture. If you are changing, collapsing, then we call it as what? Static nature. Now, without disturbing existing architecture, now we are adding all bank cards to it, then we call it as what? Dynamic. For example, you take flipkart.com, you want to go for online shopping. Currently, Flipkart is supporting only 2 to 3 banks, let's say. Now, suddenly it want another banks also want to support, another debit card, credit card also want to support, UPI payment also want to support. If the Flipkart complete software is altering, then that is called what? Static nature. Without altering, if you are adding all the new existing extensions, if you are adding, then that is called what? Dynamic. Tell me, if you take browser, browser is static or dynamic? Tell me. Browser software already have installed. I want a new plugin. Okay, I want one new plugin to add. Tell me, are you collapsing this browser software anything? No, simply going to Chrome extensions, searching for the plugin, and then install. That's all. Automatically plugin attaching to the existing browser and started working. What do you say? Did you understand dynamic? And tell me, is your brain dynamic? Come on, sir. Is your brain dynamic? Is your brain dynamic? Yes. Your brain is dynamic. That means before this Monday and the last Saturday, up to last Saturday, you don't know what is Java, why Java, who Java, when Java, which Java. But now you know Java. Whatever I am telling you, anything you know. Your mind is accepting all these new points. To understand all these new points, are you doing any change in your brain? Already God has given some software in your brain. Are you changing anything in your brain? No. Without doing any changes, you are accepting. That is called what? Dynamic. So you are a dynamic person, taking decisions on fly while running your life. So this is called the dynamic feature. So I hope you got clarity on these 10 features. What is Java? Java features. Java has 14 main features. They are simple, secure, robust, portable, platform independent, architectural neutral, object oriented, multi-threaded, high performance, distributed, and dynamic. Okay, now tell me, sir. I want to ask one small question. People who know C language try to talk. In C language, you write A.C. A.C program you given to compiler. Compiler software is now converting to A.obj, which internally contain machine language. And further, you are giving to linker, and then linker is trying to link internal processor level linking it is doing, and then generating abc.exe. From there you are getting output, right? From there you are getting output. Am I right? This is the process. Try to observe. A.C program is directly converted into machine language of a program, and further no translations are not required. Any translations are not required. So directly this language is understandable by OS, and OS can run your program. Now, if you carefully observe Java, A.Java program need platform independency. Then when you run A.Java program, and if you give to compiler doesn't generate machine language code. Rather, it will generate something called what? A.class. A.class means Java program is converted into one special file called A.class file. This A.class file contains what code background? No, this A.class file background contains not machine language code. It contains okay. It contains what byte code. All people understand? It contains one special code called what? Byte code. A.class file doesn't contain machine language code. It contains what? Byte code. Sir, why byte code, sir? Byte code is for achieving platform independency. I will tell you later. Java target is a platform independency. I will tell you the point later. At the place, please accept. Java program, when you compile, compiler software will not generate the machine language code. Rather, it is generating what? A.class file which contains byte code. Tell me now, what is the new feature of Java compared to C language? C language directly compiled into machine language, but Java is compiled to byte code. So can I say the feature of Java is a byte coded? Java is a byte coded programming language. That means background, the compiled code is not machine language, it is a byte code. Ultimately, our program should execute by whom now? OS. Is this byte code understandable to OS? No, it is not understandable to OS. Then what happened here? Try to answer. Now this A.class file we are giving to one special software called what? JVM. What JVM is doing? JVM background using one special software called interpreter. It is using background interpreter. What interpreter is doing? It is converting the bytecode into operating system machine language code. That interpreter doing work is called what? Interpreted. What we call it as interpreted. So what the meaning of interpreted? Converting bytecode to machine language code and making OS understandable to code to execute and get output is called what? Interpreted. So finally, very important point, in Java, the program compilation and execution process is changed. Okay, the compilation and execution process is changed. Now in Java program, first .java file is compiled into bytecode, and then further it is translated into machine language code by using the interpreted. So what the features of Java? The next two features of Java: bytecoded and interpreted. Am I going fast? All you understand the two features: byte coded and interpreted. Byte coded and interpreted. Java program compiled into bytecode. That's why it is called what? Byte coded. And later Java program compiled code is converted into machine language by interpreter. That's why it is called what? Interpreted. So these are the 12 features of Java programming language. Then tell me, sir, if you take C++, program, also object oriented programming language. C++ is also object oriented programming language. Okay, try to understand. In a C++ language, we are going to create some memory. In C++ language, we are creating some memory. This memory is called what? Object. What we call it as? Object. So this is C++ language. In C++ language, we are creating object. As part of object oriented programming, the memory is technically called object. Simple point. Very simple point. The memory contains internally what? Object that contains background what? Values. Okay, fine. In C++ language, you are responsible for creating this memory. You are responsible for destroying this memory. You only should create, you only should destroy. For example, you take now you are buying some, dosa packet, dosa parcel you bought, dosa parcel will be round like this, na? Then you should buy this dosa, and after coming to the home, open this dosa and eat it, and then the empty packet you only should throw into dustbin. This is a dustbin. You only should throw. Hello, all are catching my point? But whereas in Java language, if you take Java language, you are only responsible for creating this memory. Only you are responsible for creating this memory. You no need to destroy. You have a servant. You have a rich kid. You are a rich kid. Okay. Now your rich kid is having servant now. You have a servant now. Now you are taking this dosa packet and eating. After eating, you leave that packet. Then you have a servant. You know who is your best servant? Your mummy. Right? Your mummy. So your mother or some servant, whatever. So those people will come and cleaning this dustbin, throwing into dustbin. Am I right? You are eating and leaving the plate there. Who is cleaning that plate? Either your servant or some people are there. No, okay, mothers are doing that work. Na? Nowadays, of course, fathers also doing. Na? Sometimes father is also doing. Don't worry. Father also cleaning nowadays, right? Because mothers are become software engineers nowadays. So helping. Now that concept is called automatic memory management. What that feature is called? Automatic memory management. That feature is also called as garbage collected. Are you understanding? Are you understanding? Are you understanding? This feature is called what? Garbage collected. Garbage collected. Java is a automatic memory management programming language. It has a garbage collected features. In Java, you are responsible for creating objects, but you are not responsible for destroying those objects. Those objects are automatically destroyed by JVM. You don't need to worry. We have a special program. The servant name is what? The servant, every servant has a name. Now what is our Java servant name? Garbage collector. The concept is called garbage collected, and the program name is what? Garbage collector. TOR, garbage collector. Up to now, any doubts? Up to now, any feature you want me to explain? I'm giving 1 minute time to recollect. Just go through once. You want me to explain any feature? I'm ready to explain again. All features are clearly documented in this material. Sir, what it gives compared to C++ as it is byte coded and interpreted? Platform independent. Now C++ is not platform independent programming language. Look at their Java features. Java features. Okay, it has 10 main features. They are, I given 10 features, 14 features. You need to change this number 14. Okay, 11 feature. Okay, I'll explain. Now look at there. All features are listed here clearly, and one feature clearly explained. Simple related feature. And then second, security related feature related notes. Security features related notes. Okay, robust related features. Okay, portable related features, everything neatly documented. Architectural neutral features, object oriented, multi-threaded, high performance, distributed diagram also given, distributed architecture diagram also given. The next down, dynamic programming language, meaning what? Okay, now byte coded means what? Byte coded means what? Interpreted means what? Okay, right. Next, garbage collection means what? Every point is clearly given. So what above? Cursive writing. So what above? Can't you understand? This is Java, is a automatic memory management programming language. For everything you are showing, reasons above. You want always escape. Huh? You want always escape. Change your mindset. So everything is clearly there in the material. Only thing you need to get this material and start reading. Simple, very simple. All points are clearly there. Now tell me, what I should explain in 13 feature, Nana? In Java, memory automatically destroyed. As a programmer, Are Babu, Hampe, what the current topic? What is the difference between machine language and bytecode? Huh? Current topic is talking anything about bytecode. You should know what question should ask. Current topic is what? Java is called byte coded. Why? That's it. Java is called byte coded. Why? So in Java, when you compile in C language, we got a machine language code which is understandable to OS. In Java, we don't get machine language, rather we get some other code called byte code. What is a byte code and how can you understand now? That's a big story. Almost 30 minutes it will take to understand. Here I need to introduce the words. What the current discussion? That point you should know. You already understood the words. Oh, if anybody asks, tell me, Rabbi, why Java is called bytecode? What do you answer? When you compile Java program, we don't get machine language. Rather, we get some special code called what? Bytecode, which is not understandable to OS, which is understandable to JVM. JVM further converting to machine language, which is understandable to OS. So because it's generating bytecode, Java is called byte-coded programming language. Later, bytecode is converted to machine language by interpreter. Interpreter, that's why it is called interpreted programming language. Simple, yeah. Okay, right. Right. So now I just give an explanation once again. Okay. So just give some time to your mind. Now come to the point now. Open source. What is a open source? Tell me, what is a open source? Open source is nothing but open source. Everything is open. It's a free. Okay. Open source is nothing but everything open, free. You can freely download and you can use it. Freely download and you can use it. Okay. Freely download and you can use it. No need to do 1 rupee payment also. Then it's called free software, not open source software. If it is freely available for you to download, it is called free software, not open source software. If you want to call it as an open source, there are 3 qualities. 3 characteristics must be there. Okay, 3 characteristics are there. Number 1, first characteristic is what? First characteristic is what, It should be free to download. Next, source code is open. That's why it's called open source. Source code is open. You can read and understand. Okay, you can read and understand, and even you can develop new code. you can develop new code also. If a programming language or software allowed for downloading free of cost and its source is available to you to read and understand, and you are allowed to add some more code to it, then we call it as what? Open source. Open source. Okay. Okay, don't worry, all these features once again with clear diagrams I will explain. Okay, all these features clearly with the diagrams I'll explain. I told you just I am listing all the features first. Okay, I will explain you all these features clearly to you. Don't worry, don't worry. I think it is there in another system. Okay. Okay, the images are there in another system. This is a new system. Okay, right. All these slides I will share every feature clearly. One slide we will develop. Okay, I'll open Paint with clear diagrams. Again, I'll explain you. At this minute, I'm just giving you introduction to the features. Okay, every feature I'll explain and I will take your own time. Okay, to make you understand. It's not the right time to discuss all. It will feel time based. Okay, every feature clearly you'll understand with notes. Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay. All right. So open source means what? A software or something is available for download freely and available for open source to read, and then further available to write our own code in that is called what? Open source. I given star here. What the meaning of star? Up to Java 10 version, it is open source. But from Java 11 version onwards, it is both. It is both. From Java 11 onwards, it is both. It is open source and also commercial, licensed. It is also licensed. Okay, you can use as a commercial open source and also you can use as a license. Okay, if companies wanted to use, there is a two Java softwares are there. Number one, OpenJDK. One is what? OpenJDK. Number two, Oracle JDK. There are two things are there. OpenJDK and Oracle JDK. OpenJDK is open source. You can freely download and you can use. Oracle JDK is conditions apply. For learners, for testers, Oracle JDK is free. No need to do any payment. But if you want to use for your production system for running the projects, for example, you take Amazon. Amazon software is developed by using Java. If they want to run this Amazon software by using Java language, they must do payment to Oracle company to download Oracle JDK. So for commercial people, it is a payment. For us, it is a free of cost. No need to do any payment. Okay, I hope you got some broad idea about these features. Okay, so quickly I want you revise all these features and then I will wind up today class and I'll explain you each feature clearly with notes and documentation diagrams. Okay, so now tell me how many features are Java supporting? Java supporting totally 14 features. Okay, totally 15 features including platform independent. What are they? Number one, simple, secure, robust. Portable and platform independent, architectural neutral, object oriented, multi-threaded, high performance, distributed, dynamic. Next feature is what? 11th feature, byte coded, interpreted, byte coded, interpreted, garbage collected, and open source. Okay, clear my point? So this is the story about Java features. And now tomorrow I will go to the new points. Okay, tomorrow I'll go to the new points. Now each feature clearly in detail explain in respect to chapters. This is simple and secure, robust, portable, architectural neutral. We are learning in the first chapter itself. Second chapter, multi-object oriented programming. Multi-threading chapter, multi-threading. High performance, I'll teach in JVM architecture chapter, JVM architecture. Distributed, this you will learn as a separate course, advanced Java. In advanced Java, you will learn clearly this point, okay? And dynamic, I'm going to teach in inheritance chapter, okay? Inheritance chapter. Garbage collector is a one chapter. Bytecode interpreted also you are learning in a first chapter. All these features you are learning in the first chapter. All these features. Okay. Garbage collector, open source, nothing to learn, already explained. Okay. Right. So this is the basic idea about all the features of Java. Okay. So if you want to develop business applications Object oriented programming is required. Okay, now today we are starting Oracle course at 11 o'clock. Requesting you all the people go and attend demo class. I'll give you the link. So register to this demo class, Oracle class, and start Oracle in parallel. So don't waste your time. Attend parallelly and learn. 11 o'clock now. It's already 11:10. Huh? Okay. Copy, paste. So faculty will tell you. Okay, that faculty will tell you what the duration, what the fees, all that faculty will tell. Go and register and join the class. Thank you. See you tomorrow.